Hey folks, if you have to create a campaign on LinkedIn, what you'll have to do is go to your LinkedIn profile, click on the top right, there's this 9 dot square. Click on this, you'll find advertise option here. Click on this advertise option and you'll land up to the campaign manager dashboard. If you have some campaign managers already created under your account, you'll see the details here. But if you want to create a new one, click on this create account. You'll be asked for some details. Once you have filled in the details, click on save. And then it will ask for certain more information. Select your objective. You will have few more objectives mentioned here. Select the primary objective which you have for running the campaign. I'll select website visit now. You can select your respective objectives. Then you can go to click on next. First option is mainly about AI option if you want AI to take control of your setups. And second one is the classical method, which has been used for a long time. So I would suggest you go to classic method, click on next. And now this is mainly asking me to create an ad, but I will not create an ad right now. So this way you have created your campaign manager account and you're all set to create your campaign on LinkedIn.